TikTok's fate in the US remains up in the air. Reuters sources said Sunday that Perplexity AI has submitted a new merger proposal to the video app's Chinese owner, ByteDance. That would create a new entity combining TikTok's US operations with the search engine startup. The proposal calls for the US government to own up to 50% of the new company upon a future share offering. But that's just one of many possibilities that could be in play. Over the weekend, US President Donald Trump told reporters on Air Force One that he was talking to numerous parties.
I've spoken to many people about TikTok, and there's great interest in TikTok. And as you know, I have the right to sell it or close it, depending on what I think is best for the country.
Trump said he would probably make a decision over the next 30 days. Earlier, Reuters reported that the administration is working on a plan to tap Oracle for a deal. The US tech giant already provides the foundation for TikTok's web infrastructure. At an event last week, Trump said he'd be happy to see TikTok sold to Tesla boss Elon Musk or Oracle chief Larry Ellison, who was standing alongside him at the time.
Are you open to Elon buying TikTok?
I would be if he wanted to buy it, yeah.
On your inauguration.
I'd like Larry to buy it too.
The Reuters sources say the terms of any Oracle deal remain very fluid, and Trump says he hasn't actually spoken to Ellison about it. US billionaire Frank McCourt is another to express an interest.
The bid we put in was for all of US TikTok without the Chinese technology.
Speaking to Reuters at the World Economic Forum in Davos, Switzerland, he said he could team up with others on a bid and had already been approached with financing offers. TikTok had faced a ban in the US over national security concerns, but has been reprieved by Trump while he decides on a course of action.
Technology shares around the world slid on Monday as surging popularity of a Chinese discount artificial intelligence model ruffled feathers. Startup DeepSeek has rolled out a free assistant it says uses lower-cost chips and less data. That seemingly challenges a widespread bet in financial markets that AI will drive demand along a supply chain from chip makers to data centers. Shares in Nvidia supplier Advantest fell 8.5% in Tokyo, while those of Tesla, Amazon and Meta fell more than 2% in early European trading. Joachim Clement is a strategist at Panmure Liberum.
The capabilities of DeepSeek are well within reach of OpenAI and the other providers of generative AI. But, and that's the crucial but, is can DeepSeek approach or get the same results with lower infrastructure costs, which obviously would be a major negative, not just for NVIDIA, but also for the big cloud computing data center providers like Amazon.
AI-focused startup investor SoftBank Group slid more than 8%, on course for its biggest one-day fall since September, while chip-making equipment giant Tokyo Electron fell 5%. But tech-heavy markets in Taiwan and South Korea were closed. Little is known about the small Hangzhou startup behind DeepSeek, but its assistant leapfrogged rival ChatGPT to become the top-rated free application on Apple's App Store in the US on Monday. DeepSeek researchers wrote in a paper last month that the version 3 model launched on January the 10th used NVIDIA's H800 chips for training, spending less than $6 million. Frankfurt-listed shares of NVIDIA slipped about 7% in morning trade. The poster child of AI has seen its stock rise 196% since the start of 2024.
Ryanair beat forecasts for the latest quarter, but warned it faces a further blow over delays in the delivery of new jets from Boeing. Europe's biggest low-cost airline said Monday that third-quarter post-tax profit hit $156 million. That was more than double the number forecast by analysts. Ryanair says the upturn came as average fares started rising again. Over the previous quarter, they'd seen a sharp decline. Now the airline says it's cautiously guiding for a full-year profit of up to about $1.68 billion. But Ryanair only expects to get 9 new 737 MAX planes ahead of the key summer season when it makes most of its profits. The company had expected to get more of the jets from Boeing and is now cutting its forecast for passenger numbers as a result of the shortfall. Chief Financial Officer Neil Sorahan has just returned from a visit to Boeing's facilities in Seattle. He called the jet delays disappointing, but said he was confident the 9 airliners now promised would turn up on time. Sorohan said he saw evidence of big improvements in quality at the US aerospace giant. He said early indications were that Ryanair's summer bookings looked robust.